Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Shelf Module FF part #WR71X38318. The GE Shelf Module FF part #WR71X38318 is a replacement part for GE refrigerators. It is a white plastic shelf module that is designed to fit in the top shelf of the refrigerator. The shelf module has two adjustable shelves and one fixed shelf, allowing you to customize the storage space in your refrigerator. The shelves are made of durable plastic and are easy to clean. This part is compatible with many GE refrigerators, including models from the Profile, Cafe, and Monogram series. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WR71X38318 GE Shelf Module FF is designed to replace a damaged or malfunctioning shelf module in a refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as a broken shelf, a shelf that does not stay in place, or a shelf that is not level. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the shelves and drawers from the refrigerator, if necessary. 3. Locate the shelf module in the back of the refrigerator and remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 4. Place the new shelf module into position and secure it with screws. 5. Reinstall any shelves or drawers that were removed during installation. 6. Plug in the refrigerator and test to make sure everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.